Thunana kuthiwa umnwa ngaphandle uziqhomile apha kuba engafuni ugoduka. Inseni le yonke okugcwele amapolisa apha kwa-5 eDanuni. Abantu bakokwabo bethunana bekhala phaya begcwala emswaneni. Kuthiwa xhomiyane umnwa ngaphandle yena uthi le nto yogoduka iyamtraumatize ngoba yena ikhaya lakhe ulibona liyi-South Africa akanalo elinye ikhaya. Hayi imbi ke ngoku xa besenza kanje.
Hello guys, welcome to Amazon CV. I hope you're okay. Guys, forgive my voice please. It's one of those things. So a foreigner chose to unalive himself. He chose to hang himself instead of going back to his country. Whatever they are getting in South Africa is too big. How can a man choose to unalive himself because he is told to go back to his country? Hayi inkulu indaba.
business nuts.
Brother, yeah, I agree. You can see all your papers are not valid. You can see that you don't have passport again. Hey, so it is only right that you close the business. Ne? Yeah, the police are coming and the Department of Home Affairs are coming. We've already tipped them. So do the right thing. Just close business. Sharp.
Yes, I was so surprised 2 days ago to hear that more illegal foreigners are still entering South Africa. Even during the 30th of June, that day on the 30th of June, they were caught entering South Africa. 15 illegal foreigners were caught in Beitbridge on the 30th of June trying to enter South Africa. Yabona ukuthi bayasidelela ngempela labantu. And manje ngivumelana nabo laba bathayishiswe le itoro because if you close these shops and then you leave, after a few hours, these people, they open again and they stubborn South Africans will go there and buy again. So it's better to just get rid of all these things. It's a waste of time to close these shops, ushiye isitoko ngaphakathi because bayabuya bezothengisa sona leso sitoko.
Phuma mnumzane. Unganaphi lona? La muntu xa njobe security ndaba uzophatha thina. Akaphethe thina. No.
Operation Abahambe will begin tomorrow. If you are a foreigner, go to your country. Abahambe Abduleke.
Yeah, our police are beginning to see, they are beginning to remember now that this is their country. They don't have any other country except this one. They are doing their job. Most of them now are doing their job. And abasenandaba. Sebeyabona manje ukuthi no, lento yokuprotect ama-foreigner kuzokusiza ngalutho. Emamachini ukubona manje ukuthi ayisekho kakhulu lento yokuprotect ama-foreign. Most of them now they are fighting for their country. And if sebenza kanje bazosebenzisana kahle nomphakathi ngoba inkinga vele ibona. We know ukuthi bathunywa amabhosi abo ukuthi benze lezi zinto, but they must always remember ukuthi they are part of us. They are South Africans. Bama-members omphakathi. Abantu abahlupheka njengathi. Whatever we are complaining about, they are going through the same thing in their communities. So nje siyajabula, we are happy to see them working together with us. So guys, this is Gugulethu. They are burning down illegal foreign shops. I'm not in support of what is happening in Gugulethu. But kwesinye isikhathi uyayibuza ukuthi, what must we do if we tell them, leave our country, we don't need you anymore in our communities, then they refuse. They even unalive the community members who are telling them to leave. So what are you expecting from the community if you are telling them or you are showing them ukuthi wena awubasabi? You cannot force yourself in the community of people who are telling you that we don't want you here. But let's be honest, guys, you as a Somalian, Ethiopian, Bangladesh or Pakistan, can you allow foreigners to come to your country and do these things you are doing in South Africa? Can you allow a foreigner to stop you from doing business in your own country? Can you even support those businesses?
People, you know, sometimes they hear stories like South Africa is good, there you can do whatever you like, you can break loose, there's no loose. Because a lot of African immigrants who are coming here, mostly, they like it because the justice system is not okay, to be honest. Yeah, we have too much weaknesses. Because all these people, if you can ask me, they use the border. You see? Yeah, we've been caught many times. Like me, my job is DSTV. I've been caught with the police, but look now, I was free to walk in the street. Because once they caught you, they don't take you to justice. They deal with you same time. Give me money or something, they let you go. So that's why people like it here. So we just ask one thing. When we go back, when you manage to clean the way you want, please try to fix your justice system.
This guy is telling nothing but the truth, that they are not here because they are suffering. They are here because there's freedom in South Africa. They do as they wish in this country. And you'll hear people blaming us, telling us that we are xenophobic. These people are vulnerable. These people are hungry. Bathi nabo Malema, oThabo Mbeki, no Ramaphosa uma bezwa labantu bekhuluma kanje. Akithi kuthiwa siyahlanya xenophobic sizonda abafowethu. Kuthiwani uma bekhuluma kanje bona ngemlomo yabo. We are hearing from the horse's mouth ukuthi they are here for freedom. Guys, let me know what you think on the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, to like and share the video. Thank you so much. Bye.